Oh yeah, I made that and that. Hey, my name is Siv, a graphic design student here at SAE, and let me tell you how you could make a design that potentially stands out. Firstly, the most important thing is research. Knowing your audience is key to making designs that are perfect. Make sure to envision your designs. Get some inspiration from your favorite designers, or better yet, get your inspiration from Pinterest. That's what I do. Always be creative and innovative. Make use of elements, textures, and patterns to get your design one step closer to success. Color theory is an important part of design. Learn your colors and use them to elevate the mood of your design. Most designers use symmetry in their designs, but try to break it every once in a while in order to create visual interest. Simplicity is key. Focus on the essentials and make your message clear. Last but not least, ask for feedback. One of the most important skills as a designer is accepting criticism. If you want to learn more about graphic design and visual communication, where you get to learn from industry-trained experts and get to know the graphic design field better than anybody else,
Join SAE Dubai.
enroll now to get a 3,000 dirhams early bird discount.
Wait, for real?
For real.